Heidi Rose here in Florida, October 23rd, and I'm going to show you what's going on in the skies today. A lot of military activity, I would say. But in the meantime, while that's going on, my husband and I are outside picking grapes. There he is, over there. I'm going to go and join him. We've been out for a while today picking the grapes, and I just thought I would take advantage of catching this on film because, you never know. This could be the last year that we're here having this opportunity, and it's so beautiful. October 23rd, picking grapes and admiring the military activity in the skies and all around us. Nature and freak science. That's the way the world is these days, isn't it?